Welcome to part 17, comments in dashboard.py. So let's flip over to our dashboard.py file. So before we go into the code, I wanted to point out all of the comments that appear in it. So I've heavily commented throughout the code, and basically almost every section of this code is going to have some comments, as you can see here, and here, and lots of comments over here. So I've done this because the code is complex, and I realize that you might want to make some changes, and it should help you understand exactly what is going on. So make sure to read those comments. I've also included doc strings, which are essentially comments, to help you understand how each function works and behaves. There were doc strings in the notebook as well when we were going through the code in there, but in some of these areas I've actually added more to those doc strings to make them even clearer. So there's probably more comments and doc strings than actual code itself, but it's very important that you, if you really want to understand the code, make sure you look at these doc strings. I did take quite a lot of time to make sure they were thorough and provided a lot of information as you were going through the code. So you'll see, I even block off entire sections to say, all right, now we're heading into this upper right hand corner, and here is a summary of what's going to happen in this block down here. And you'll see, all right, this section is for map creation. So I tried to just provide a lot of comments so they can really understand what is going on in each section.